Hi guys, I have the lennx heat pump. It's freezing outside. Freezing. The reason why section lines on the high section speed, why it's freezing on the heat pump. This pipe is hot, so I have to find out what's going on, either defrost board or defrost thermostat. Open, find out what's going on. Get my meter. Wow. Turn the power off. Wow. Frozen up, frozen up, frozen up all over. So the board is '96, '96. Voltage. Zero voltage. Should be 26. 96. Okay. We can change the first one. It's good. Okay, the reason I have to check. I have to check the sensor. Okay. From here on the other one. To check it with mirror if it's open or closed. Okay. It's close. From another one, my van. keeps closed. So it's freezing up. So I have to put in air conditioning mode. I have to move the fan because it's freezing up. I don't want to put new one and then it's still freezing. It's not good. The problem is this customer is not here. Customer is not here. I have to do something else. I have to move this one. The heat can do. To put air condition mode, because and I have to move fan and to move the fan, and I have to jump this one and this one, and then I have to put this one. Switch to air condition. Put air condition. Turn air condition, no? And fan is not on. Only compressor for air condition mode to get hot, to melt that ice. Because I cannot get inside. The owner is working. I cannot get inside to turn the air condition thermostat, so I have to do trick over here in the defrost board. Look, the small one is getting hot. And the fan is not circling, so I have to move the fan. It's over here in the board. I have to do this as if I'm doing thermostat. To wait like 15 minutes to 10 minutes, and the ice is going to melt. This compressor is start melting. Let's see, it's going to melt soon. And AC mode and no fan, because you know that coil in air condition is getting hot cycle, that's why it's going to melt. Look, before it's like this, and you can see some water is coming down. It's going to melt soon. Look, the fan. And the fan is not on. And you can see some water is coming down. Because when you told somebody if somebody have issue, is the best way to turn system off But it kept, no, it's cold, we need heat. You can use emergency heat instead to turn the compressor on. That's why we have thermostat. You can use air condition heat emergency. That's why if you want heat, you can use emergency instead doing like this. Look, it's getting melt. Oh, as long as I have to replace new one, I get it in my van. This is new one. That's what I have to use. New one in the back. I have the old one. Keeps closed. That's what the reason. I thought maybe defrost board or something, but defrost board is good as long as it works in heat and air condition. It doesn't need defrost board. Only defrost thermostat. Look, the ice is getting melt. It gives. Look, the water is coming down. Water. Fence. So I have to use, instead going inside, trick R and yellow and orange together, and then I have to pull for heat out. I have to put it inside in the board terminal. That's why I have. Just if somebody like this, you don't have to get inside, or if you want to put air condition or heat, if you want to turn in heat, take other wires and put on heat white and take yellow, it will be okay. So that's where it should be. It's melting. A lot is melting soon. Wow, look the water. That is melting. That's why if you find condenser unit outside is frozen, you want to melt ice, that's what you should do. It's not on heat. In heat it keeps it again frozen up. The best way to turn it thermostat, if you have the owner of the house, turn thermostat in AC, and then take the fan in the frost board and freeze circle, and it's getting hot and ice is melting. So that's good thing. Look, oh my goodness, my face. Look, it's not like before. To give just few minutes. This is coming down. Look the water. I think that's it. All over. Just some parts as long when I'm replacing, and then it will be okay. Look, the smoke for AC. I think that's enough. I have to replace new one. Okay. this one I have to replace. I have to take this old one, I have to fish it, and then we'll come over here and I put new one. But I have to move first my wires. Now switching to heat. And then I put my wire for heat back. Just to make sure favorite is tight. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so take the wires. And then I have to put for the fan back the first board. Get all the wires over here first of all. That is better because I don't want the wire to get burned. The best we have to take out this cover to make it professional, not to be lazy. First I have to make contact I need because this will I have to do this to not to be discharged. I have to move the fan. I have to move the one I took before and one in contactor to work free. Take the cover like this. That's good. That's why I like to take this cover, because the wire coming here, it's very tight. It's very tight. I don't want any wire touching like this. Look, sooner or later we'll have ground. No, start a little. I will work it professional, not to touch the pipe, especially heat pump. So I have to pull this one. I have to pull this one. To cut these wires. I'll make everything professional after this. To take all the one. Put new one. Oh, guys. Always turn the power off. If you forget to touch anything, you will be safe. Okay. Over here and there. Make it open. Yes, like this. Yeah. Perfecto. Let's tie this one together. That's good. This one, it should be going down over here. For terminal coming from the power. Yeah. Always I like to make sure for sometimes this make loose, but it's good to tight more just in case. Okay. That I will make everything right over here. I have to use septum for the one I can't, and I will make other one. Perfect. So I have to put this one in touch them not to have any. And this one looks professional now. To take the special over here. And then anyone not touch any coppers, specials, high pressure switch, low pressure switch. Sometimes it makes the system ground. And over here, and this I have to put cover. And I will turn it on. Everything is on. Yeah. To still have, but where I am out, I have to get another one to make everything here. Good. I got new bag. Okay. To put fan, and then for the power, for the fan and defrost board, like this. So many wires. Let's use another one over here. Yeah, everything is connected. Boom, boom. Here and here. We have to turn the system on. Now already thermostat sits inside for heat, so that's why I have to jump. I cannot get in. That's why I jumped the wire before for air condition to melt the ice. And no fan. Now it's already in heat anyway. It's working. I replace this one, the old one. And thank you very much for watching, and please support me, and I will appreciate that very much. Thank you guys, thank you very much.